day. Now if today is the first time I visit my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and then you like the video, share the video to as many friends that you know. Now we are coming to solve this one. This one is under limit, yes. So with this one, if you do a direct substitution, you see from the previous video, if you do a direct substitution, the denominator here will be equal to 0 because you will be 3 square, which is 9. 9 minus 9 will be 0, which will make the whole thing undefined. Yes, so what do you have to do, or infinity? So what you have to do is to try to simplify it. Yes, now looking at this question, I'm going to simplify the top one. Yes, and the top one is x exponent 4 minus 81. Now I can express this one as difference of 2 squared because I know x exponent 4 is the same as s squared all squared. And then 81 is also the same as 9 squared. So when I apply difference of 2 squared, I'm going to get the same as the that one. You see, this is rational function, so you're supposed to simplify it before you substitute. Yeah. Now, if you've not watched the first video, please go and watch before this one. Now, so I'm going to lim of x approaching 3 be equal to this one, the same as s squared all squared minus the 81 is the same as 9 squared divided by s squared minus 9. I want to maintain the denominator like that. Now this one means difference of 2 squares. If you have a squared minus b squared, the same as you add them, then you subtract them, or you subtract them, then you add them. Multiplication is commutative. Yeah. Now, so from here, it means that lim of x approaching 3, this one is the same as s squared minus 9, and then s squared plus 9. We add them, we subtract them, we are applying difference of 2 squares. Now divided by the s squared minus 9. So with this one, we can see it clearly that we have s squared minus 9, s squared minus 9, so it can cancel. So which means the whole thing will be lim of x approaching 3 of what? S squared plus 9. Now, at this point, we can just do a direct substitution. Where we see s, we put 3 there. Now, so this one will be equal to, now the x is now 3, so we're going to get 3 squared plus 9. So we have our plus 9 here. Now 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So there's the answer. We have some more questions so that to boost your understanding. Yes. Let's move into the next video for more questions.